Oh, hello.
Hello.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. So, where are you from?
I come from England.
Oh, you come from England. Do you know Manchester United?
I don't like football.
Oh, you don't like football, I see. So, why did you come here?
I come here for vacation.
Oh, you come here for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
Okay. So, what do you like the best about here?
What do you like the best? Well, the people are very kind.
Yes, the people are here very kind. What about the food?
The food is great.
Yes, is it too spicy for you?
No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer are you staying here?
I'll stay 2 more days.
Then you'll go back home?
Yes, then I'll go back home.
Okay, where do you work?
I work at a big company.
Oh, which company do you work for?
I work at an import company. And what about you?
Oh, I work at a bank.
Are you a bank teller?
Oh no, I'm the bank owner.
Oh.